How to upload video from gallery to Instagram Reels. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload video from your gallery to your Instagram Reels. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first step that we're actually going to do is to check for Instagram is up to date. So to do that, just visit your App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android and just search for Instagram and check if it is up to date. Once you have made sure that it is updated, let's just go ahead and open up Instagram. And you should either be at your profile page or at your home page. So I'm just going to do this from my profile page. Just click on the plus icon at the top right corner and click on Reel. So this should open up the camera page. And if you want to upload a video from your gallery instead of directly recording a video from this camera page from your Reels, just click on this media that is showing at the bottom left corner with a plus icon. Just click on that and it should show up the media that is in your gallery or your camera roll. So just select the video you want to upload to your reel. So for example, I'm gonna upload this one. And at this part, you should see a timeline at the bottom part of the screen, and this is where you can actually trim out the video, or you can just select everything from the video. So you can just simply drag these markers depending on where you want to start the video or where you want to end the video. But I'm just going to select all and upload the whole video for my Reels. And then you can also add music. You can also scale the video to full screen like that, or you can also change the speed of the video. Just click on that and you can either set it at 2 times and many other options. You can also slow it down by clicking on this 0.3 or 0.5, but I'm just going to set it at 1 times. Once you have set that up, just click on this add option at the top right corner, and that should be added as a clip. If you don't want to add any more videos or record videos, just click on next right here, and that should be your final reel. Once you are satisfied, just click on the next option again at the bottom right hand corner, add in caption and many other settings from here, and just click on share once you want to upload this video to your Reels. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.